So we're gonna make sure that we show that correctly.
No. Let's say like at least 3 answers.
Let's show them all using the correct math symbols. Okay. Okay, so we need to get, I'm gonna solve this just like it were an equal sign. I'll put like a little line in here. This is a divided by 4, and the opposite of division is multiplication, so I would multiply both sides by 4. Wish there wasn't a period there. And I would get A is greater than 64. And that means infinity. A is infinity possibilities. A is all numbers greater than 64. So we don't have to list 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. We can just say anything greater than 64 is going to work here. And then, so we show that there's more than one right answer by using this symbol instead of an equal sign. And then we also show it using a number line. So we've been graphing on an X and Y axis, but today I want to practice going back and graphing on a number line. So maybe I start and I do my number line 60 through 65. That's okay. And so I want to show a visual of A being all real numbers greater than 64. I'll do an open circle at 64 and point my graph to the right. No. Like most people do it like this, like right above it, but I like to do it up. Okay. So I just want to remind you that if the symbol is this or this, you plot your point with an open circle. If you're possibly equal to that value, you do a closed dot. And that's what we're working on tonight, folks. Not bad, not bad. Yeah?
So I don't remember if it's closed or open, because if it's closed, it has like that bottom line to fill in the circle.
Yeah, that's great idea. This much ink put into that circle would fill it right up. It would just jump off the page into the circle. Okay, next one then.
No. Focus here.
Starting you out with just lots of fractions. Actually, you could, and I spent, many a problem doing that, but I'd like to multiply by the reciprocal. That's the quickest first step. So I'm going to put 7/5 here and 7/5 here. And that will cancel out the whole fraction. And I have p is greater than. I'm just wondering if this is a good time to talk about reducing diagonally. Probably
What?
not.
That just sounds bad.
Well, I think we can. Like I got this 20/1 and then 7/5. Like, so I could go 20 times 7 and get 140. But I have this opportunity to reduce diagonally. Like I could go, well, 5 goes into 5 once, and 5 goes into 24 times. And then I just have one nice answer. 4 times 7 is -28. So that's more mental math. Like if you can reduce diagonally, you're going to be able to come up with the numbers a little more easily. The numbers will stay smaller. Thumbs up if you've reduced diagonally before. Maybe today's the day for you guys. Maybe today's the day. Okay, let's put this guy on a number line. I'll go ahead and call this negative 30. I'll call this negative 25. I'll do a big open circle. This says P is greater than, so I'll go to the right again. Did you guys graph it? What?
Did you grade a test?
I have lots of grading to do. Really tried, but it's taken a long time. So that's why I'm thinking maybe I do 3 more problems with you and then just let you do your assignment and I sit at my desk and grade papers today. I don't do a good job at that because I hear people have tasks and then I stand up and walk around and I come up and do this. So maybe if you stay on task, I can just sit down and grade papers. What's that? Was anybody absent Friday needs to make up the test? You want to take it right now? Okay. Are you raising your hand? You're going to take it? Okay, I'll bring it to you guys. Okay, this one's got a little trick in it.
What is this?
This isn't like that bad.
Okay, this is easy. It's better. 12. Negative, no, it's 12. Nope, I already got it. It's 12. It's 12. I promise you it's 12. I said that on my head. Hit straight for a quarter, bro. Yeah, negative divided by negative. I knew that.
I have something about a negative sign.
And
There's calculators in the back of the room. Okay. Before I even start, I'm going to remind you of an important rule. What did I just spell? Try again, you can do it.
I'm trying to skip my favorite holiday on like the New Year's Day.
Did you really say Thanksgiving?
I love Thanksgiving. Why are you disrespecting Thanksgiving?
Thumbs up if you remembered the important rule.
I definitely did.
When multiplying and dividing both sides by negative, remember to trip the It kind of looks like a trick.
Oh. Oh yeah, I actually did use that. That's just kind of common sense at this point.
What do you mean, like, flip the symbol?
Okay, so I'm gonna put the line
Instead
in.
of multiplying, you divide.
I'm gonna. No, that's not what it means. I'm gonna divide by -9. I give V. What'd you guys figure out 108 divided by 9 is?
Yeah.
Watch my symbol. Oh.
I hope it's warm during it. I want to get out of my boat.
That's what they mean by flips the symbol. This guy changes directions
What?
from the negative.
I guess we did.
It's because it's 12 now, not 9.
Oh yeah, because it's larger.
So when I look for did a student remember to flip the symbol, the easiest place to check that is on the number line.
Bless you.
You know what I realized? I
Yep.
Yeah.
Were you your first class
When
that
I was late today,
Yeah, V is less than or equal to 12 is to the closed dot, and this goes to the left. Congrats.
No, we're probably her worst class.
Of course.
Not lie to ourselves.
Of course.
OFC.
You're awesome. You know that.
I think your fourth period is the worst, isn't it?
No,
It's
but
worse
there's
in
some
the-
bad ones. Let's just say that.
What's the bad one?
No. I mean, we do get a little wild
She
sometimes.
loves
throughout
that.
the day.
1 through 10.
It's bad, isn't it?
We're not even gonna do it. Okay. How many more? Ooh, this
No.
one looks
Why
tricky.
does it look like- Yo, that's why I just done.
Why does it?
Alright, I'm skipping to this one, a word problem. This will be, let's call this the, what did I just do?
Yeah, last one. 8 of 24.
No, thank you. Okay. So this is actually number 4, correct? Alright. Charms and necklaces. Each charm costs $1.59. So we know the word each means multiplication, so we'll start out with $1.59C. $1.59 per charm.
Wait.
What does no more than mean?
No more than.
Sorry, Tony.
No more than means that the variable is less than or equal to. I'll try to add like words and symbols up here because if you can have no more than, that means you gotta have less than. No more than means you must have less than.
Oh yeah.
If I had my glasses off, I couldn't.
Okay, so what is the answer? Okay, okay, so we know each means multiplication, and it has to be less than or equal to her $20 bill. Oh, the answer has an arrow by it. Totally lame.
Yum.
And if you divide, well, does this divide evenly, or is this like a rounding problem? What's 20 divided by $1.59? Do you know 20 divided by $1.59?
It's 12.578661.
What?
12.578616.
Okay, so let me just talk about this rounding issue for a moment. Because it's 12.57, can she purchase half a charm?
No, she's gonna.
No, she can't. So look at, they identified the answer as 12. So So when it comes to objects, you can't buy half an object. You're gonna round down from that no matter what. Libby, you had a question?
No. I was just gonna tell you what I thought the answer was, but now you started.
Because of the era.
No, I
Jake,
didn't
did you have a question?
Well, I was gonna say, why didn't she buy one more? But I realized
Any other questions? Alright, so the stuff on page 63 of your workbook's a little bit different. There's some words in there I want you guys to really read and think about. I'll go over them with you, but you guys start on your own. Let's just, if you guys want to discuss it with the people around you, it's fine. You don't have to be silent, but you need to be on task.
Yes, ma'am.